Good afternoon, everyone. This is Caesar with Calicas Malames. Today we are doing the fuel pressure test. Right now we are bypassing the system with a good fuel pump. Before we were getting like 26, 28 psi. So now let's bypass it. Here we go. So now we're gonna be pressuring the system. See, look at that. Now we're getting a solid 40 psi. Let's start it up. Here we go. On 3, 1, 2, and yeah, see, look at that. That's way better. That idle is dropped down to 32. That's a good number we like to see. Settling good, no issues. There it is. That looks good. You can still hear that little tiny noise. Should be okay. That's pretty much it. So there it is. We have confirmation. Running the fuel cell does make the engine run better. So that's confirmation something with the fuel pump system is faulty. So to be continued.